Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 15 online business ideas for the financial year 2023-24. In this digital age, there are endless opportunities to start and grow a business online. So, if you're looking to start your own business or just looking for some inspiration, this video is for you. Buckle up, and let's dive into the world of online entrepreneurship. 1. Online courses. Online courses are a fantastic way to share your knowledge and expertise with others. You can create courses on various subjects, such as photography, cooking, programming, or even personal development. To create a successful online course, focus on providing valuable content, engaging visuals, and clear instructions. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy to host, market, and sell your courses to a global audience. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choose products that align with your niche and audience. Create engaging content, such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts, to promote these products and drive sales. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank to find products to promote. 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. You partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. To start a dropshipping business, research profitable niches, find reliable suppliers, and create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Focus on marketing and customer service to grow your business. 4. Blogging. Blogging involves creating and sharing written content on a specific topic or niche. To start a successful blog, choose a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality content, and promote your blog through social media and other marketing channels. Monetize your blog through ads, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing to generate income. 5. Print on demand. Print on demand is an e-commerce business model where you sell custom-designed products without holding inventory. You create designs for products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, and partner with print-on-demand companies that print and ship the products to your customers. Platforms like Printful and Printify make it easy to integrate with your online store and automate the process. 6. Social media management. Social media management involves managing a business's social media accounts, creating and scheduling content, and engaging with their audience. To succeed in this field, develop a deep understanding of various social media platforms, create engaging content, and stay up to date with the latest trends and algorithms. Offer your services to businesses and help them grow their online presence. 7. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant provides administrative, creative, or technical support to clients remotely. As a virtual assistant, you may handle tasks such as email management, scheduling appointments, social media management, or content creation. To succeed in this role, develop strong organizational and communication skills, and be proficient in various software tools and platforms. Offer your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to businesses directly. 8. Freelance writing. Freelance writing involves creating written content for clients, such as blog posts, articles, or marketing materials. To excel as a freelance writer, hone your writing skills, develop a unique voice, and be proficient in various writing styles and formats. Build a portfolio showcasing your work and pitch your services to potential clients or join freelance platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. 9. Graphic design. Graphic design is the art of creating visual content for various mediums, such as websites, social media, or print materials. As a freelance graphic designer, you may create logos, illustrations, or marketing materials for clients. Develop a strong portfolio showcasing your design skills and style, and offer your services on freelance platforms or reach out to businesses directly. 10. Web development. Web development involves creating websites, web applications, or WordPress themes for clients. As a freelance web developer, you'll need strong coding skills in languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Develop a portfolio showcasing your web development projects and offer your services on freelance platforms or reach out to businesses directly. 11. SEO Consulting. SEO consulting involves helping clients improve their website's visibility on search engines like Google. As an SEO consultant, you'll need a deep understanding of search engine algorithms, keyword research, and on-page and off-page optimization techniques. Offer your services to businesses looking to improve their search engine rankings and drive more organic traffic to their websites. 12. Online coaching. Online coaching involves providing guidance and support to clients in a specific field, such as fitness, career development, or personal growth. As an online coach, you'll need expertise in your chosen field and strong communication skills. Offer one-on-one coaching sessions, group coaching, or webinars to help clients achieve their goals. 13. Podcasting. Podcasting involves creating and sharing audio content, such as interviews, stories, or educational material. To start a successful podcast, choose a niche, develop engaging content, and invest in quality recording equipment. Promote your podcast on social media and other marketing channels to grow your audience. Monetize your podcast through sponsorships, ads, or by offering premium content to subscribers. 14. Stock photography. Stock photography involves creating and selling high-quality images for commercial use. As a stock photographer, you'll need a good eye for composition, lighting, and subject matter. Upload your photos to stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, where customers can purchase and use your images for their projects. 15. YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel involves creating and sharing video content on a specific topic or niche. To succeed on YouTube, focus on providing valuable and engaging content, optimizing your videos for search, and promoting your channel on social media and other marketing channels. Monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, or by offering premium content to subscribers. And there you have it, the top 15 online business ideas for this FY 2023-24. Remember, the key to success is taking action, so choose the idea that resonates with you the most and start your journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Also, please comment if you have other ideas which we can add to this topic. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos for more tips and inspiration on starting your online business.